Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne as he speaks about his feelings towards the Planka boss. He was outlining that he feels bad for her because she's been attacked from all areas, from all sides, and he's wondering how can one human be attacked so many times and yet still go on. So Dwayne feels very sorry for her, and although he's not choosing sides, he's still sorry. So go ahead and listen, like, share, and subscribe to the channel.
Hi, hello, 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 hello. I feel so bad for her. I really do. You know, it breaks my heart. I couldn't go to my bed and not talk about it, you know. Honestly, listen, guys, I'm not chastising anyone. So when people hear this live, if you feel it's about you, like don't feel like I'm throwing words at you, because I'm not. I just feel bad for Plankavas. I really do. You know? I do. Yes, I know. Listen. Charmaine, I understand exactly what you're saying. Listen, I'm allowed to feel bad. I said I feel bad for her. I'm allowed. I'm not gonna choose no side or nothing. I'm just saying I feel bad for her. I'm allowed to feel bad for her. Why I feel bad for her? She's getting it from like all angles, like can one human being can one human being what are you cainting about? I just feel bad for her. I really do. One human being can't take so much. I am minding my own business. I'm not getting involved. I'm just listen. No one don't tell me nothing. This is my page, right? I'm gonna talk about whatever I want to talk about. It's not like I'm cursing this side and not and picking up this for this side. I'm not. I'm just saying I feel bad for her. I'm allowed to feel bad for her. That is okay. I'm a human being and I saw the emotions she put out. So, you know, I don't understand what's wrong with so many people. Every time I want to talk about something, like it's a problem. I'm not choosing any sides. I'm just saying I feel bad for her. I do feel bad for her. I do. I'm allowed to feel bad for her. Listen, it's not like back in the day, right, where I used to come on my page and curse people for her. That is not what is happening here. It is not happening here. Right? Let me just make that very clear. That is not happening. Right? But imagine, put yourself in her shoes. She's only one human being. She's one person. She's one person. She's one person. She's one person. I feel like this is why I've been pushing right lately. I said, listen, guys, maybe it is better. We just love people from a distance. Love them with a long spoon. Love people with a long spoon. Even if you feel like one person is at a higher level than you, if you want to get there, and listen, I'm not throwing words at anyone. Right now, me, I'm trying to get to a level myself on social media. I really am trying to get to my own level, right? I'm not in no competition with anyone. I'm just trying to put my best foot forward, and hopefully it will resonate with the people who I'm trying to attract to the page. I don't know if I'm making sense. I don't know. I don't know. If you don't know, you don't know. Listen, all we can do, all we can do, all we can do is just hopefully one day, like, everyone will just come together. Even if, I'm gonna say again, there are people on social media who hates the earth I walk on. There are people on social media who curses me every day. But I don't have to give them back that kind of energy anymore. Yes, I used to, but not anymore. Not anymore. Not anymore.
Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.